Hello there everyone, and welcome to this news video. The first thing I want to tell you is, of course, we have been doing a very big project about salmon fishing. It's taken the past 5 years of filming and editing and just collecting all the clips for this video. That video, the first of 3 videos about salmon fishing, is online now. It's not available, you can't see it on the YouTube channel. You can only see it if you go to NordicAnglers.com, and then there'll be a very big banner on top of the web shop, and you can see it there. And I really urge you to go swing by and see that movie. It's the first one has been released. The next one will be released in about a week, and they are really some of the things that I'm most proud of is these videos. With that out of the way, I've been to Argentina, fished for Dorados, and it was really awesome to get some well-needed time away, some big steaks, some red wine, and of course a lot of fish. So I really enjoyed that. That was awesome. But I'm back now in full swing and ready to talk about all the new stuff and fishing and all that. And the first thing I want to show you in this news video is this. This is a new dubbing from Spawn. It's called Semi-Seal, and this is one of the most exciting dubbings I've seen for many years. It has really awesome properties. It has some awesome colors. Especially if you like me, like to fish for sea trout, then the colors here are awesome. You can buy it in a box like this with a selection of the colors, but you can of course also buy the individual colors, and these colors are just true awesomeness. Also, the texture of this is kind of like SLF saltwater, a bit like that, but a bit longer and then a bit more. It's called Semi-Seal because what they try to do is imitate something that resembles seal. So Spawn Semi-Seal dubbing. Really awesome, cool new dubbing, and if you haven't got enough dubbing yet, then this is a good thing for you to try out. And you could wonder, do you have enough dubbing in the shop already? And I think we have about, it's more than 750 different types of dubbing in the shop already. So what's another 50 or 40 new dubbings? Nothing. Okay, let's do that because this is cool. This is a cool product. The next things I want to show you are some dispensers and some new things to make your fly tying life easier. The first thing is this is a prepping station. And what basically this is if you tie, let's say you're tying, let's say, 10 Lefty's Deceiver or 10 pike flies or 10 whatever, and you need bucktail or you need flash or you need artificial hair or something like that, then this prepping station, you can cut off all the bundles that you need, and basically you just place them inside these. And then you have them ready, because when you have that bucktail and it's easier to cut all the things that you'll need. Place them inside this in this prepping station, and then you're good to go. So you don't have to pick up the bucktail again and again. A cool item that has been a lot in demand. A lot of people have been asking me when we would get these. Now they're here. The next thing is a stash pot for flash material and for ghost hair and stuff like that. Basically, you have 20 compartments in this clear acrylic thing, and if you have basically a standard flash thing or angel hair or something like that, you can stow this away inside here, like this, and then you will have this sorted. And this is a hell of a lot easier to keep track of than all these different packages. I know I'm gonna order myself 10 or 15 of these just to get my own fly tying sorted in regards to this. So the stash pot is really cool product. Very inexpensive as well, and expensive as well. And there is an orange flash included in the price. So basically, this is how it arrives. How you will get it if you buy it. The next thing are these. These are some stash pots for or some stash tubes for thread. So basically, in a package like this, you get all 4 of these tubes, and you can place a lot of thread in here, and you can only take one of these at a time if you're going to a fly tying fair or just to a friend's house, something like that. But a cool way to get some order in your tying threads. The last thing is probably one of the coolest. Is this one? And this is the Pop Top Stash Box 43. And what you have here is two different sizes of containers. Small containers like this, and then some that are a little bit larger. Easy to pop the lid here, and you can store dubbing, you can store beats, you can store whatever you like into this, and you can write on top of these on the lids here if you want, or you can basically just look into them. There's 43 in here, and the price for this compared to how much order you get is very, very inexpensive. So this here is truly one of the coolest things ever. And again, I'm gonna get me a ton of these myself because, yeah, I have a lot of different stuff. You can use them for dubbing, you can use them for whatever. Very, very cool item. Well, basically, that was it for the news. Remember the salmon movie, and also, as I said, my Dorado trip was really, really awesome to Argentina. I filmed a bit over there, and I got some video, and I got some good pictures and stuff like that. I don't know, I'm not gonna, I wanted to, you know, sometimes you just, I do at least, I need to just fish, you know. Not to be involved and have a big plot and have to do all the sort of things with all the video and all the setting, and then I have to get this take, and then I have to get this, and I have to get this piece of video and put it all together. Sometimes, you know, it's important also just to be there and just to fish. And I needed that, so that's what I did. I got, you know, I turned on the GoPro every now and then, and I got some takes, and I got some video that can be compiled into something that probably will just show the theme of the mood of the place, which was really unique and really awesome place. And I'm definitely, next time I go fishing on a trip like that, I'm going back to Argentina. That's for sure, because man, that is a cool place. But I'm gonna throw something together, and so you can basically see something about it. But it's not gonna be a grand big something. It's just gonna be, you know, me goofing around. So basically, I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, all this stuff is available at Nordic Anglers, like the logo behind me. Oh, stay tuned for the upcoming salmon films, and well, otherwise, good luck out on the water. Swing by the web shop to get all these new cool stuff. Bye.